In this video, you'll learn how to withdraw USDT from your Binance account directly to your bank account. By following these steps, you will successfully convert your cryptocurrency and initiate a bank transfer. Begin by navigating to the Binance website or opening the Binance app on your device. Once you arrive at the homepage, locate the login button in the upper right corner. Click this button and enter your account credentials to access your account. After successfully logging in, look for the convert or trade section, which can typically be found on the main menu. This area allows you to exchange your USDT for your local fiat currency. Once you have accessed the convert or trade section, select USDT as the currency you wish to convert. Choose your local fiat currency as the target currency for conversion. Pay close attention to the displayed conversion rates and any associated fees before proceeding. It is essential to ensure that the converted amount appears in your fiat wallet after the transaction is completed. This conversion step is necessary because you cannot withdraw cryptocurrency directly to your bank account. Next, navigate to the wallets section, which is usually accessible from the main menu. Once in the wallet section, look for the withdraw option and select it. You will be prompted to choose the type of withdrawal. Select Fiat as your withdrawal type. After that, select your preferred bank transfer method. Enter the amount of fiat currency you wish to withdraw, ensuring that it does not exceed the available balance. It is crucial to confirm your bank account details carefully to avoid any errors in the transfer process. After entering the necessary information, review the processing time and any fees associated with the withdrawal. Once you have confirmed that all details are correct, submit the withdrawal request. At this point, you may be required to complete a security verification step to ensure the safety of your account. Once completed, you track the status of your withdrawal by monitoring your transaction history within the Binance platform. Keep in mind that bank processing may take several business days depending on your bank's policies. After a few days, check your bank account for the arrival of the funds. It is advisable to save any transaction records related to this withdrawal for your personal records. If you notice any delays or issues with the transfer, do not hesitate to contact Binance support for assistance. This final step ensures that your funds arrive safely in your bank account. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.